Hello guys, today I have with me a very special thing. So what many men desire. Tada! Yes, of course. It's stereo Bluetooth music earphones. So it's made by the Chinese company named Juarez Acoustics. So its model number is JZ900BK. So if I got it from Amazon at only 890 rupees, but the price written here is 3000. So anyways, let's get on with the unboxing. So here you can see it's a nice red packaging, and here it's written stereo Bluetooth music earphone. Nothing is worth living for without music. Yes, I completely agree with that. That's a nice statement. Like it. Here's the picture of the earphones. The Juarez symbol. We open it. And here are the earphones. Keep it aside for a moment and let's see what else we get. So these are some extra ear tips and rubber things. And here is the user guide. It says LED indicator and USB interface, volume up and down. These are the ear hangers. Anyways, let's get back to the earphones itself. So here they are. I have read that they can be stuck magnetically. They have magnets on these sides. So while you are not using them, you can just hang them around your neck and like a necklace. So that's a pretty cool feature. So here I'll be playing some music and let you hear how they sound. So I'll connect this with the phone. First we have to enable Bluetooth, and over here to press the button for a few seconds until and unless the LED flashes. To scan. Since this is the first pairing, I have to press it for 5 more seconds. So here I have got it, and it's alternately flashing between orange and white. So now I will connect it. So I finished pairing it up. I will play some music. I have no music on this device since it's new. I recently purchased it. This phone, it's a Samsung Galaxy Z3. So I have only one default Samsung music over the horizon. Hope you can hear it. Its bass is really nice, and all highs and lows are equal. So here they are. Hope you guys like this video. Do not forget to comment, share, like and subscribe, and stay tuned in my channel for some more exciting videos. Thank you.